Hello students, we are going to discuss about continuation of evaluation of enthalpy. Next method, standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation. Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation. Standard heat of reaction is equal to the algebraic sum of the standard heat of formation of the product minus the algebraic sum of the standard heat of formation of the reactant. As per the definition, standard heat of reaction calculated from standard heat of formation using the following formula: delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H F naught product minus summation of delta H F naught reactant, where delta H R naught is equal to standard heat of reaction, delta H F naught is equal to standard heat of formation. Are you clear? Okay. In exam, the standard heat of formation data will be provided in the problem itself. If not, a table will be provided and we have to collect the data from the table. Appendix 5 table already shown in the previous lecture. You can refer the table from previous lecture. Example, consider the reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus DD, where small a, B, C, D stoichiometric coefficient of capital A, B, C, D. Are you clear? Okay. Delta H F naught A, delta H F naught B, delta H F naught C and delta H F naught D, standard heat of formation of component capital A, B, C and D. Are you clear? Okay. So here superscript not represent standard state. So the standard heat of reaction calculated from standard heat of formation using the formula delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H F naught product minus summation of delta H F naught reactant. Are you clear? Okay. So from the reaction, what are the reactant, what are the product? A and B is a reactant, C and D is a product. Are you clear? Okay. So delta H R naught is equal to, so here summation of delta H F naught product, already I said, from the reaction, C and D is a product. So what are the stoichiometric coefficient in product side? Small d and small c. So here the stoichiometric coefficient small d. So the heat of formation of the component capital B, delta H F naught capital D. Are you clear? Okay. So the summation means addition of these two products plus C into delta H F naught C. So this is the product side minus, so the reactant side, what are the reactant? Capital A and B. Small a and b's are stoichiometric coefficient of capital A and B. So here summation of delta H F naught reactant. So the capital A stoichiometric coefficient small a. The heat of formation value delta H F naught capital A. So small a into delta H F naught capital A plus small b into delta H F naught capital B. Are you clear? Okay. So as per the definition, standard heat of reaction formula, summation of standard heat of formation product minus summation of standard heat of formation reactant. Are you clear? Okay. So After substituting the component capital A, B, C, D standard heat of formation value, so if the standard heat of reaction delta H R naught is positive, the reaction is endothermic reaction. What is endothermic? Absorb heat during the course of reaction. If standard heat of reaction is negative, the reaction is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic? Heat will be evolved during the course of reaction. Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion. This is another method of evaluation of enthalpy. Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion. Standard heat of reaction is the difference between the algebraic sum of the standard heat of combustion of the reactant and that of the product. Are you clear? Okay. So, as per the definition, standard heat of reaction is calculated from standard heat of combustion using the following formula. Delta H R naught is equal to delta H C naught reactant minus delta H C naught product. So here, the delta H R naught standard heat of reaction, delta H C naught standard heat of combustion. In exam, the standard heat of combustion data will be provided in the problem itself. If not, a table will be provided and we have to collect the data from the table. Appendix 6 table already shown in the previous lecture. You can refer the appendix 6 table from previous lecture. Example, consider the reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. So here, what are the reactant, what are the product? Capital A comma B is the reactant, capital C comma D is the product. Where small a comma B comma C comma D stoichiometric coefficient of capital A comma B comma C comma D. Here delta H C naught A, delta H C naught B, delta H C naught C and delta H C naught D, these are standard heat of combustion of component capital A comma B comma C and D. Are you clear? Okay. So standard heat of reaction calculated from standard heat of combustion. So using the formula delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H C naught reactant minus delta H C naught product. What are the reactant from the reaction? Capital A and B. What are the product? Capital C and D. So as per the definition, what are the stoichiometric coefficient from reactant? Small a and b. So here small a into A component standard heat of combustion delta H C naught A plus small b into delta H C naught B. This is the summation of standard heat of combustion reactant side. Whereas product side minus C into delta H C naught C plus D into delta H C naught capital D. From product side, small c and small d stoichiometric coefficient of capital C and D. Capital C and D are products. Are you clear? Thank you for your attention.